Struggling to add channels to your IPTV? Our simple guide is here to save the day. First, ensure your Smart IPTV app is installed and up to date for maximum compatibility. Next, obtain an M3U playlist URL from a reliable IPTV provider, such as 2tv.store. Head over to the Smart IPTV app on your TV to input this playlist URL properly. Navigate to the Add Playlist section. This is where you need to paste your URL. With your remote, carefully input the M3U URL to ensure it's accurately entered. Hit Save to lock in the new channels and refresh your IPTV app to check additions. Want even smoother navigation? Organize channels into categories for seamless access. Explore unique features offered by your provider, optimizing your viewing experience. Don't forget about regular updates to keep your channel list refreshed and relevant. Feel free to experiment with different IPTV providers to compare channel options. Looking for quality and reliability? Try 2tv.store for the best IPTV experience. Troubleshoot issues by contacting your provider's support team if things go wrong. Stay updated with the latest IPTV technologies for an enriched entertainment journey. Ready to revolutionize how you watch TV? Just follow these steps for ultimate fun. Dive into the world of Smart IPTV and discover limitless entertainment today.